Now doesn't start late June. It started today.
Started today. You heard it here first.
That's right, because
Neil Barton, former meteorologist.
When you see this 7-day forecast, it's summer. I mean, come on, come on.
Exactly. That's a hot take, literally.
Ooh.
There you go. Well, I mean, I'm gonna go for about 15 seconds here and not talk about the heat. Let's talk about that beautiful picture there in Longview. The clouds are blowing in the wind. It's a little windy outside. We'll continue to see that, but unfortunately we have to talk about the temperature in a little bit. So here it is, 80 degrees. Winds are out of the southeast at 3 miles per hour. Obviously no issues with fog right now. Temperature wise for our northern counties, starting to see some 70s, so there is a little bit of relief on the map. Mount Pleasant's at 79. It's 81 in Pittsburgh. We're at 81 in Gladewater, 80 at the East Texas Regional Airport, 81 in Mount Enterprise. It is 79 now at the Cherokee County Airport. That's the cool spot, but it will end up being a warmer spot in the morning. That's just kind of how it plays out. 80 in Nacogdoches. It's 81 in Zavala. But what Neil is referring to are these dew points. They've actually increased since 6 o'clock this evening. Folks, we have upper 60s and lower 70s, so there's going to be some dew on the car this morning or tomorrow morning, and that could result in a little bit of fog if the winds are light enough. But regardless, we're down to 74 degrees tonight. We're up to 92 tomorrow afternoon with a few passing clouds and a very slight chance of rain. Now the tropics are heating up. As we mentioned, Hurricane Agatha made landfall in Mexico not too long ago, and it will be moving over the Gulf of Mexico, and as a result it has a 70% chance of developing, and it's likely to take pathway B into Florida if it does end up forming. So we'll keep an eye on that. That is one of the primary tracks that these storms like to follow, given what the upper level pattern tends to look like for the month of June. Rain chances will return with that front. Storms, the best chance of them will be to our northwest, but they should begin to collapse as they move a little closer. That was valid for Wednesday night. For tomorrow, I do expect maybe a shower or two, maybe a couple of bubble up showers through about 6, 7 o'clock, but then the atmosphere stabilizes until we get this complex of storms moving in by 3 o'clock Thursday morning. But notice, these will weaken as they get a little closer to us. By 6 o'clock in the morning, they're less strong, but they will continue to weaken as they move into deep East Texas. So prepare for rain early Thursday morning. That's 9 o'clock, and then we should see a little break in the activity by Thursday afternoon, with the exception of deep East Texas, which could still hold on to the rain chances. Best chance of heavy rain will be the further north and northwest you go. There goes the green as it populates. We could see perhaps up to an inch of rain for our western and northwestern counties. Otherwise, it's going to remain generally dry for deep East Texas. So very hit and miss showers over the next several days. We may have to look at Saturday and Sunday and adding rain chances, because some of the model data does suggest slight chances of rain then as well. And then deep East Texas, similar trend. There are those rain chances Saturday and Sunday. That's a change from 6 o'clock. But regardless, as Neil mentioned, hot and humid over the next several days.
All right, sports right now. Now, Gary, you know, a long time ago,